Hello students, here we are going to see a new concept, that is planar and non-planar networks. It means that in the networks you come across with two types of networks, that is planar and non-planar networks. So let us see in detail about what is a planar network. A planar is nothing but a two-dimensional. Planar is nothing but a two-dimensional. So a planar circuit is one that can be drawn in a plane or in a two-dimensional without no branches crossing one another. So if a circuit which allows us to draw on a on a plain paper, then the circuit is said to be a without crossovers. Then the circuit is said to be a planar circuit. For example, let us take one circuit. For example, let us take one circuit. So this is a voltage source and this is one resistor, and here if I take one capacitor, and if I take one more resistor, so a planar network is nothing but it is a two-dimensional network. So more than two-dimensional, that is called as non-planar. So if the circuit is a three-dimensional, it is not possible to draw on two-dimensional paper. So on a paper it is not possible to draw. So planar networks comes into two-dimensional figures. And one more thing, we have in the statement itself I said that a planar circuit is nothing but there should not be any crossovers. So by looking this circuit, we say that okay, there is a crossover, this branch is crossing another branch, so it might be a non-planar circuit, but it is not a non-planar circuit, it's a planar circuit only, because this branch can be redrawn, like this. So you can remove this branch and you can redraw, you can redraw like this, you can redraw like this, and you can remove this total branch. So this, if I replace this total branch, this is initially it is in inside, so I can draw outside. So is there any crossing over? No. So it is said to be a planar circuit. So after drawing outside, how it looks like? So the same circuit looks like here it is a voltage source, and here we have taken a resistor, and here we have taken one capacitor, and here one more resistor, here one resistor, and here a capacitor. So we can redraw the circuit like from the outside. The same circuit can be redrawn. So you can draw like this, the same line, same resistor we have drawn from the outside. So is there any crossovers on any branch? No crossovers. So it is said to be a planar circuit. Let us see non-planar circuit. A non-planar circuit is one that can be drawn in a plane with branches crossing one another. It means that if there is a crossing over another branch, then it is said to be non-planar. And one more thing, a non-planar circuit is a circuit to which it is not possible to draw on two-dimensional paper. That is, on a paper, it is not possible to draw without crossovers. For example, let us take example for this one. For example, if I take a resistor, if I take a resistor, if I take one more resistor here, 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 and if I take one more resistor in the diagonal, so it is a planar. Now it is a planar because there is no any crossover. But if I increase some more elements, if I draw a resistor here and if I connect this total circuit to one voltage source, and if I take a circuit element from outside, now tell me, is this a planar or non-planar? Till it is a planar only because there is no any crossovers. There is no any crossovers of any element. But if I add a resistor here, if I add a resistor, if I add a resistor like this, and if I connect that branch here, now is it a planar or non-planar? It is absolutely, it is a non-planar only because without crossovers it is not possible to draw this branch. If I draw from outside also, it touches this branch. If I draw in the bottom or in the top side, this branch will touches this branch. So this is said to be a non-planar circuit. Thank you. Just try for, like, just take same example, try to draw on a plain paper without crossovers, and try for 2 to 3 circuits. Take your own circuits and try to draw whether it is possible to draw on a paper. If it is possible, then it is called as a planar. If it is not, then it is said to be a non-planar circuit. Thank you. Next we'll continue with the mesh analysis. Thank you.